Okay, welcome back again. What I want to look at now is the current and voltage resistance. Now, again, you need to write this information out for yourselves. You need to write out the text, draw the diagrams, okay? Electric current. Now, all matter is made up of atoms. Now, read the text. I have no intention of reading this out to you. You can read this for yourselves, okay? That's what it's about, okay? Now here, you're looking at electrons. And electrons are negatively charged, protons are positively charged, and neutrons are neutral, i.e. no charge. Okay? Etc. And when I talk about no charge, I don't mean the charge you will pay to go into a cinema, or the charge you are charged for entering the M6. It is a charge in respect of electricity. Okay? Okay. Now read this for yourselves. Write out the text. Use pen and paper. Writing pad you should have. Okay? All this you should have already in place. Pen and pencil. Buy one. As a matter of fact, buy two. Okay, make that buy five. Okay? It is relevant that you have this information and the necessary tools to do the work you have been asked to do. And now again, be aware of conventional current flow and electron current flow. Okay? Look at the difference, what it's talking about. Now here it's just showing you the movement of electrons as a whole. Okay. Now that's voltage, okay? And the potential difference is that voltage which appears across the component, whether it be a lamp, resistor, or any other circuit, okay? Now R equals rho L over A. That is to measure the resistivity of the conductor in respect of its length and its cross-sectional area. Okay? And again, it will tell you here what those represent. Now do a calculation for yourselves. Also, hang on. It's a bit smaller than I expected. My apologies, okay. Make sure that it is stable, okay. You can read it or pull out. I'll just pan out a little bit, okay. Okay, let me pan back in again so we can see it, okay. It's a small. It looked big when I first did it, but looking on it now on my camera, it looks kind of smallish. So excuse me for that. Apologies on that part. I'll pan in again so we can see what it says. Okay. Okay. Now again, you need to write this out for yourselves so you know how it operates and relevantly. Okay. I normally just use V equals I times R. From that I can transpose any formula I want. Okay, but that's just me, how I work. But some people find this useful. Okay. Okay. Thank you for your time. Have a good day. Okay. Bye bye.